malah ketiang cai nyor kedung di media kecang baro ko pai warau karon kini dang rau di jandang rau di diech an mag bangun gok be nong lar ten kon la nong yen siang kedung di media ketilat karo di region of Sudan kana win mo no dien an wala kecang baro ko pai warau dung di media be nong lar darau kiti cara lat ke konin dang rau di region of Sudan laran yam bala jen ke governor of Upper State ni Jacob Dolorut ta chi we jaganater roi ni te kon de jawla nater ke ta cha lu re ne to ti chi lu re ra ganater ba ga jodien ko ba yin nung tin jalat ke no ti suppose da lat te ke no ku lat ku ni mera ode bala pulo mula ro da ka ko bu ko lin content chen da na le ro da within na ko baton bagala do the picture of today can yesterday ngi te de mo ka akubu ka siya zaman dan lin konatin ka mayu can element of Dr. Guy tin ta ka akubu taro kare udo kona ba no yogo dung dit media mala na ko jiran bi shejak an jo ma online linge ka bi share ko bane ko no wan de lingo tung no ra na ba ku le ja ji gak bar ko no ne ko dung dit media ka tin lar grodien region of Sudan. Mo korwotin Kelly, Governor of Upper State ni Jacob Dolorut. Chawaga ulang, jadi elar ko ulang jana galing. Inyo ko jen chawaga nater pan. Te chawaga nater jadi jin wan kata andar ngai kone Jacob Dollar. Enu she ruit mugwa. She kwar mugwa mulong right. Enu banung kan position me. Situational aspect. Atanda and take a situation, you know. Because of the situation in the country of Sudan, Chedol or Chendung power, Chala Governor of Upper State. Rwande Latpan Nathar, can Kuya Kune Larko, Sheer Wijmugua, Telejo Rajmugua, Jatela Lat, De La Token, De Lord Ganeja, Telia Kaje, Chakapal. Teja Olat Chikawa, Tikokien, Tijawa desperate. Beleni jikai beleni ko and don't support don't support your community leaders particularly show chol kang makane urga gwang jene urga gwang so lo de ko ne ga gwang will not support kang makane we no support and badorun bada kone kum rajma was a crucial message e pane nange mejalat it was a threat so mi sheje no no kuiraj ko mi ram ngai roi almost spirit ka panal statement ka makal ka ram new governor mi ke dollar me go ra kaje go the first thing they can offer to jikai apology that apologize ka chi man ko gan shaban as a new face I know the suffering you are suffering a lot chuyen doranja dak 1 2 3 ka tengaje status of our situation today and the mechanism. So machabende bako I will change the status quo. Men balel janen I yen lonya kanater. Let us start working together. So dor medan kerwain ram ngai ngok there ka frame there ka lat de je kain galing de ngayo yes is the new face de ne de konular ga je ko lana kel ke dollar. Lakin me yo work ku rai gure lar. So train the community. And je kai they don't take him serious. She serious issue kake. Ngai ke je o level edinu kama nonge ko kume udi is a situation as we mentioned earlier. Ko situation nan la ko jinu Sudan jen mo ga chance ko de la governor of Upper State. So we know taban chan right ni wan chan galat ko kuja governor as a person ka situation ta ka Upper State as a state complexity and then take a Shanga Fernal. That the target of the government is to Nuer, Naper, Kanawalang, Wokolongshuk, Kanamaiwood. Like in internal dispute, the problem to con Makal about the land, come tet, Kanajang Fadang, nobody talk about them. Tamaja Brewen to conflict mo. Kunela Rishanga Dung Din Media, there will be a time very soon, we be tad and begin Kanajanga Padang. That question, $1, whoever come to Makal, to concentrate on it, to write on it, problem is still continues. That kaga unimis, ya burkin jawo ko fire padang, tarambarar. So which is very complex situation within Malakal. Todiar ko la maka na serto ko ulang to ko ngutu ki any ambition from Makal to roll nuore without solving mataka Makal. Tell a door, tell impact, tell me no. Now I'm going to for a time being like at the end. But in this tradition, I brought a member of Jacob Makal. Benetet can a jang up and down. So don't Lord forget about all this. Check a quick again. Tail at pun Kanathar cat breaking. Chalona Jarakan, but we can advise people who don't take him serious. Number one, a quick right. Number two, we know his label. Koshi Ramronke Makal, Cheronke Aparnal State as a governor. It's because of the situation that we are in today, because of Sudan, I didn't know position. Let us not take him serious. But I wouldn't bother the Bala issue and I talk about Akubu. We talk about Akubu these following days. Akubu take a political tension, Bukubriu, come as Piala Mayu, can a commissioner of Akubu, no support a guide, a governor of Jonglei State, Mentaka as Pialam IG. That situation we talk about it, so this recent day, take a speculation, go as Pelamayu, men more dominant, post Kakubu, take a scrutiny. Guru Benega to contact Akuba, including the commissioner. So, when that rumors, Jetan Chinche stir up Kakubu, Yatagalat, Latgatin. TN9 content supporting the incumbent commissioner. Kwa situation kwa perboko karera kwa na duol jiware na artiku what is the way forward. Ngoda karamandan la replacement kana na point. So taro jeten chinche kami alka kubu that we reached to yesterday ke changa bakel kapai warau. So cha community kel de chwale shi ndo ayol community. Na to kan the commissioner tere yen okay and current commissioner so chika dol me chaon dol gomo it was a question ko wona ne ram me chol ko ke dol anga again the objective of dol e wa dol can as a specific sub clan ka kubu ungu so the results of that meeting bad me jada wona de dol sure teddy I can't all those issues that we are going to give you. Could be and there is indeed a problem in Akubu. Bukwa engineer a few people. To go out a problem ka Akubu. Their political interest. They're cool. They're what I chakala NATO, Chakachur Kendaga mention. Dol Mashalga Jamo, Cheratala Nekun and tech engineer to qua engineer. Neither qua engineer can yo chaka collaga can bore. Through governor of Jonglei State ni the guide. Now come is more group ka Kubu. The Chwalishi and Doyol. Within Chi and Doyol T element to tot radiant. Timashi and Odial, not community as wool. So you go on and commissioner may commission the room. But a weak one. So any speculation Kuba which as Piala Mayu is again your own interest. So you see that scenario quite insert in them. China on go de go make a yoshi, but I'm you in Aji and China, which all be a dollar as a she and dog yesterday. So, when I when you now, Chaka element of content Chalga Dolmo, the people, the night catch our cock. The element to come in out to Guru Bana Kodno when I can't take Chalga Dol. And their objective should allow obvious. Go Baba Guru win up, go ahead of this appointment, Muba Lair. Mangula can see and dog King Balar. So Guamo, Chetaka reaction. Chinaga. Chaka, you don't deserve to call us. Chiki and the corner de Cochon. Me interest of the incumbent commissioner Luckquip. Can I regard your concern con Chiendo? Appointment of commissioner a issue of the SPLM IO party in Akuba, as we know. If they decide, he concur to corner area thin. So don't come to our community trying to divide us. So you don't more you talk no dakpan. Which means you know that in their position today, who has felt mayu mabalaro. The only thing that will be accepted by any ideal content of Kubu, different sub-clans, including Chiendo. So we talk about these issues many times. Who and Akubu continent, no one clan they threat. Then to be kill, they threat, may I desire can go balance. Per who can to one community, kill one clan. Ibagadian be rom we come ka Kubu, Kor. There are many examples. There are now one of the wrong time when it is yen. It shall be yen. So by one at the end, be a Guinian. Believe we have many examples. And the recent classical example, a case chul to it, can get away at. Could we see one and the people of our Kubu, Quara Unite, chul to it, Chadala Commissioner, we and Kubu. They pin the group got away at. But when Chinaramat, and then she will become a commissioner. The same like today, whoever come, which I told as Pelamayu, will be a commissioner of a co. So, and Mr. Keno, again, Manan and Dong the Nenoye, but one and there was a native problem, qua engineer, ka Kubu. Chawan can those meetings that we have talked about. Like sugar pale. So Akobo now is united and that as Pela Mayu go and Ramaba Nongo. Maybe incumbent commissioner may be a replacer. Is accepted, is welcome by the membership of Aspela Mayu Ka Kobo County. So now more the final message that we can talk of today update. Cutting content on the name of media about Junub Sudan today. A lot of test coach calling and thanks.